Shalom Alaikum, peace be unto you, beloved family in Yahusha, Jesus. Welcome to another day, a time of renewal, reflection, and revival. Today, I came to speak to someone who feels like giving up, someone whose faith have been shaken, whose dreams feel delayed, whose prayers seem unanswered. The message today is simple yet eternal. When all seems lost, hold on to faith. Yes, to faith. But before we do that, let's look at the book of Mark, chapter 4, from verse 37 to 40. I'm going to take it very brief. A furious storm came up and the wave broke over the boat. Yahusha was asleep on a cushion. I want you to understand something. Even the disciples, men who walked with the Messiah, faced storms. Notice something. Yahusha was still in the boat. The storm didn't mean Yahusha left. It was the moment to reveal his true power. Sometimes Yahweh doesn't calm the storm immediately. He first calms you in the storm. I want you to understand faith is not the absence of fear. It is trusting Yahweh even when you are trembling. So when you are meeting this difficulty, this situation, do not be afraid. He is always with you. You see the book of Job chapter 13 verse 15. Though he slay me, yet I will trust in him. Those are the words of Job. You see, Job lost wealth, children, health, and friends. Yet hope did not leave his lips. He didn't understand the pain, but he trusted the plan of God. That's faith. Hope without explanation. You see, faith doesn't say, I know how it will end. Faith says, I know who holds the end. Your situation, you don't care how it will end. God is there to always bring you a successful ending. In Romans chapter 8 verse 28, and we know that all things work together for good to them that love God. You see, when everything seems to fall apart, remember this: nothing is wasted in your person, in God's hand. Even your tears are counted, your silence is heard, and your waiting is never in vain. One thing you must understand, brothers and sisters, that faith turns pain into purpose. Tell yourself, this storm won't drown me. It's teaching me to walk on water. If you say those words, this is how your faith will build, and God is going to answer your prayers. Now, let us see examples of faith. In Genesis chapter 22, Abraham raised a knife over Isaac, but God provided. Yes, and in Daniel, when 3 Hebrew men were cast into fire, guess what? 4th man appeared. And Lazarus, even when he died, people were crying, Christ came to resurrect him. Once the faith doesn't test you, it transforms you. When all things seems lost, God gives you a testimony. That is why you must always trust in God, believe in His word, and learn to always read and study the Bible. This will always build your faith, because faith comes by hearing, and hearing of the word of God. Remember this, brother. No matter how you are lost, God is always with you. He is there to always calm the storm for you. No matter the situation, no matter the wreckage, no matter what you have lost, no matter the unheard answers to your prayers, God is always there with you. Do not be afraid. Do not lose hope. If you are blessed with this message, I want you to subscribe and share it to believers, for those who have lost hope, for those who feel their life is over. Let them know that they shouldn't lose hope even in the last 5 minutes. God is capable. Shalom alaikum. God bless you.
Set apart.